problem 2375. Construct the smallest number from a di string. So we are giving a pattern. So the pattern gonna have I and d, and we are going to produce the smallest number. So the number gonna be meet such kind of conditions. It's gonna consist of 1 to 9 digits, and all the digits gonna be used at most once. And if it is I, nums I gonna less than nums I plus 1. If it is a d, so nums I gonna more than nums I plus 1. Yeah, definitely we're gonna return the lexicographically smallest possible string. Yeah, so as we can see, the pattern length is only 8. Maybe we're gonna directly use brute force to solve the problem. Yeah, maybe after that you're gonna find an optimized way to solve the problem. Yeah, but currently let's just use brute force. Before we are using brute force, let me set a final result. I'm gonna set it as a really big number. It's gonna be 9 times 10, but I'm gonna set it as a string. It's gonna be a really big string. Yeah, because the length of the pattern is at most 8, so we're gonna try to find all the possible numbers. So it's gonna be length of the pattern plus 1. Yeah, so this is gonna be all the numbers. We're gonna have n numbers, and we're gonna try to permutate all those numbers, and this result is going to be the biggest result. I set it as 9 times 10. Now I'm going to check the permutation. So for A, in permutations of the, yeah, I'm going to use a list of range, so from 1 to n plus 1. So that's going to be all my permutation, and then I'm going to use a num. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna join them together, and I'm gonna use a, yeah, maybe I'm gonna use a string. So I'm gonna prepare a string, and I'm gonna join all the string together. So first of all, I'm gonna turn each of the integer inside the nums to a string. So for I in the array, yeah. Now I'm gonna use a check function. So if check with this string. So this tag basically it means if it meets such kind of a pattern. If it meets the pattern, so I'm gonna record the final result. It's gonna be the minimum of result with the string. Yeah. So finally, I'm gonna return the result. Yeah, as I set the result to be a string, this means I can compare them together. It's gonna be the same idea as I'm comparing integers directly. Currently, I just needed to finish this check function. So inside it's gonna be a string. Yeah. Now I'm gonna enumerate all the patterns. So for IP, enumerate the pattern. So I'm gonna check this pattern. If this pattern equal to I, it means basically it is an increase. But if what happens if it is a decrease? So if nums s. If si plus 1, normally it should be more than, but if it is less than and equal to nums I, so I'm gonna return a false. Yeah. Now if this pattern equals to d, and if this si plus 1, it is normally it should be less than, but if it is more than or equal to nums I, so I'm gonna return a false. Yeah. Finally, I'm gonna return a true. So this is the idea for solving the problem by using the brute force directly. Yeah, this is not num, so it should be s and string s. Yeah, now as you can see, it works. And now let me just submit it to prove that it can pass for all testing cases. Yeah, it's gonna be slow because this is just brute force. As you can see, it's nearly 10 seconds, but anyway, it can pass for Leetcode. Yeah, because for such kind of the length of the pattern, definitely we can solve the problem. Because currently the time complexity, if this is 8, it's gonna become 9. Yeah, so 9 times 9 factorial, and from here we need times another 9 or 8, it is okay. Yeah, because basically this is 100 times, yeah, because 9 times 9 is 81, nearly 100 times 9 factorial. So this is going to be a really big number. actually it is 81 times yeah, or this is 8. It is 72 times 9 factorial. It's going to be a really big number. That is why it's so slow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.